Hey, this is John T. Wright. I'm just giving you an exclusive update. I've been working on my lottery thing, and you know what I do is I take something like this and I'm going to end up making it into a crossword puzzle. And when I get done with that crossword puzzle, based upon the last numbers, when I run it across there, it's going to find points, just like a points in your face. And it's going to hopefully give me direction on picking the right lottery numbers. And I know how to do this. I've done this before. And that's not all. That's not all. But this is what I took the neighbor over here. He needed to go to the store. His truck was overheating. He's the neighbor that I met when I first got here. You know. And anyway, his wife needed the medication. So here I am with my very good, well, it's a fajita, I guess. So anyway, I went down there and I took him to Safeways. He had to go to the pharmacies, you know, his truck was overheating, he needed medicine. I said, well, I'll take you down there. I need to break anyway from this. I don't like to make mistakes, and I made a mistake on one. I had to start over. So anyway, and I fixed it, and I'm ready to move on. And then I go and take him over there. He goes in. I drop him off at the doorway. I said, I'm going to park right over there. Rock Star Parking, you know. He goes in, he comes out, he comes in, he gets in the car, he's got the bag. I said to him, that worked out pretty well, didn't it? He says, yeah, that worked out great. I said, and next week, we're going to be doing the bank, next week, we're going to go do a bank job next. That was pretty good, thing, we did it just natural. That was so good, I want you to just do the same thing. Well, when I send you to the bank, I said, you just take a bag and say, I'm not supposed to open up what's in the bag. It's very sensitive, he said, and I can't set it down. He says, if I let go of it, he says, it might explode. He says, it might explode. He says, it might not explode. He says, I'm very scared. He says, here's the snow. And I said, just don't say nothing and see what they goddamn do. And, he's got this peculiar look and we start laughing and stuff. And he knows I'm not serious. I said, yeah. I said, yeah, now you're with D.B. Cooperson, you wouldn't ask me a favor. I said, sure, I'll take you to the store. And now I had him go into the store. And now we've trained you how to go into the store now to come back. And now you're goddamn going to do the next job. This is what we're going to do. And I said, I could just imagine how my brothers did this here kind of stuff, just kind of, they just get you involved in something and all of a sudden they're plotting. You're going to be involved in something. I could just see something like that. Well, anyway, me and him had a pretty good laugh on the way here. I thought I'd share that with you. But anyway, I'm working on my lottery and stuff, and I thought I'd just tell you that I'm just trying to work through the day, and I took a walk through the park. I've been here and there, I've been working, getting through the day, and being productive. And I'll talk to you later.